Here's how to set up Owl20 so your D&D Beyond roles show up right inside Owlbear Rodeo.
Let's start with the player setup.
First, install the Beyond20 extension. On the Beyond20 page, you'll see links for Firefox, Edge, and Chrome.
For this example, we're using Firefox. Click the Firefox link, then click Add to Firefox and confirm by clicking Add again.
Next, install the Owl20 extension. Same process. Click Add to Firefox, then Add to finish installing it.
Now let's configure it. Copy the link from the Owl20 page. We'll need it in just a second.
Open the Beyond20 extension, go to Manage Extensions, then Options. Scroll down to Advanced Options.
Scroll back up and paste the link you copied from the Owl20 page into the field. Click Apply, then Allow, scroll to the bottom, and click Save.
And that's it for the player setup.
Now, if you're the DM and want to set it up for your party, here's what to do.
Copy the link from the DM Setup section on the Owl20 website.
In Owlbear Rodeo, click Options, then Extensions. In the top right corner, click the plus button to add a custom extension.
Paste the link, click Add, and then enable it.
Once that's done, restart Owlbear Rodeo if it's your first time installing the extension.
And that's it. You're ready to test, and it should work right away.
You can find all the links in the description below.